Have you ever spent hours trying to fix old, blurry, or noisy footage with no success? In this video I'm introducing you to a powerful AI-driven tool, HitPaw VikPea. It can handle everything: video denoising, ultra-smooth slow motion, and even upscaling low-quality or vintage footage into clean, detailed 4K. Now let's jump right in. So first, we should download and install HitPaw VikPea. I've placed the download link in the description so you can get the latest version. Once installed, launch the software and we'll take into the professional and concise page. Click Video Enhancer. Then import your footage. This video clip appears slightly blurry. Here we choose General Restoration Model, then set exporting resolution to 4K. Click Export. And here we get the highly clearly movie clip. Next, let's move on to the denoise model. For this example, I'm using a nighttime fireworks clip. As you can see, because it was shot in low light, the video has a lot of visible grain and digital noise, especially in the sky and the dark areas. To fix this, choose the denoise model under Professional Model list. This model is specifically designed for low light and high noise footage. Once selected, set the exporting resolution to 4K or whichever resolution you prefer, and click Export. After processing, you'll notice the sky becomes much cleaner, and the fireworks look sharper and more vibrant, without losing detail. Besides that, VikPea also includes several other useful AI models, such as the animation model for enhancing anime-style footage, the portrait model for improving facial details, and the frame interpolation model for smoother motion. You can simply choose whichever model best fits your footage. As you've seen, HitPaw VikPea can upgrade almost any kind of footage, from noisy night shots to old movies to low-quality clips, quickly and intelligently. If this helps, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.